a nature blessing song and a song to the grandfathers. I'm just giving them and bringing them a little gift and a little encouragement from the human tribe.
Yeah, it was supposed to be torso and head, but I figured probably would break. They reconfigured. He says they reconfigured every couple of years or months.
La otra por acá. Ahí.
And then they do the scream when they're like, danger, danger.
Oh, it's a free-for-all.
Just a ball of fighting.
Hey everyone, so I'm at Notch Trail in Badlands, and there's one thing that's really cool with the trail is this ladder. So we're gonna try to go up and see how it looks at the edge. I mean, obviously you can take the sides, but I just want to get a feel for this thing. It's almost like a Via Ferrata. Bounces around a little bit. Don't be afraid to use all four if you have to. I think that's why they call this one rough terrain. And I'm sure going down is probably a little bit frightening, but that's how it looks going down. I think it's a great view up top. Hi.
Hello.
Let's go down the edge. There's a ridge line that follows to the summit of sorts. So if you have fear of heights, you might not want to go, or just stay at the bottom. But word of caution, if you stay at the bottom in the shade, be careful of rattlesnakes and scorpions. They do exist, so watch out. Oh, and there is no shade here compared to Black Hills or Mount Rushmore. So I think an umbrella is fair. Shouldn't be embarrassed to carry a parasol. It decreases your temperature by about 10 degrees. You still should take water and a partner, especially if you're a beginner. Now it is a ridge line. I guess this is shaded, but take a break here. We could go up this way. However, let's go. A bit of scrambling. That's like class 3. And here we go. And that's the view. There's an alternative way if you don't want to take the ladder. It goes down here.
you.